are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 5. Polly helps a friend. Polly friend की help करती है. Okay. Now learning outcome says students will be encouraged to always help their friends in need. Students also will be motivated to be a good friend in life. Okay. Now let's get started. To have a friend, you must be a friend. Now, through 3 ways you can be a good friend. Polly drove her bicycle swiftly as mother trotted alongside her. Polly बहुत आराम से अपनी साइकिल बाहर निकालती है जैसे उसकी मदर घर से बाहर निकलती है. Mother had to hurry to keep up with Polly. मदर भी उसके साथ साथ ऐसे चलते हैं जैसे पोली साइकिल चलाती है. They were on their way toward the park for their weekly outing. यहाँ तक कि वे सप्ताह में एक बार पार्क की तरफ निकल पड़ती हैं. Polly Big's blue bag with pink pocket was slung over mother's shoulders. यहाँ तक कि पोली एक बड़ा सा बैग अपनी मदर की कंधों पर डाल देती है जो है ना और उसकी माता उसे लेकर चल देती है. It had many of the Polly's favorite things. उसमें पोली की फेवरेट थिंग्स होती हैं that she used to create जिसे अक्सर वो प्रयोग किया करते थे. They were wonderful pictures that mother would fasten to the refrigerator door for everyone to see. Wonderful things was a part of these trips. Wonderful sunshines, wonderful breeze, wonderful colors, and most importantly, the big wonderful silver slide. Polly was happy as it could be today. Polly आज बहुत खुश है जैसा वो चाहती है वो हो रहा था उसके साथ. The pink ribbon from her braids flew in the breeze beside her. Today Polly felt very special because mother has let her wear new shorts outfit with the blue. क्योंकि उसकी मदर उसके लिए एक बहुत सुंदर सी स्कर्ट लाई थी and the pink flowers बने थे. Polly promised to be careful and not to spoil it. Polly ने अपनी मदर से प्रॉमिस किया था कि वह उसे बेकार नहीं करेगी. Polly loved mother. Polly मदर को लव करती प्यार करती है and always tried to make her proud. और उसकी मदर को उस पर गर्व है. She wanted to be just like her. And she grew up. जैसे जैसे वो बड़ी होती जाती है being outside today was like being in a beautiful dream. तो जैसे घर से बाहर निकलती है तो उसके बहुत सारे सपने होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा वो कैसे होते हैं वो कलरफुल होते हैं. The windy sunshine was the yellowest of the yellow. हवा बहुत तेज बहती है. It flooded Polly's smiles blue. और Polly जब हंसती है ऐसा लगता है जैसे वो blue smiles eyes and the pink face उसका हो गया. Blue eyes और pink face हो गया है. Everything was wonderful. Even the birds sounded cheer than ever. जब पहली बहुत खुश होती है ऐसा लगता है जैसे सारे पक्षी भी बहुत खुश हैं. They whistled from nearby trees. जो पेड़ों पर बैठे हुए चहचहा रहे थे. Polly's bicycle barely stopped as she jumped off. पेली जल्दी से साइकिल से उतरती और पक्षियों को देखकर कूदने लगती है. They arrived at the special place in the park क्योंकि वो पार्क का सबसे अच्छी जगह थी. Where the giant silver slide lived. Polly loved the slides. She got a silvery joy each time she slipped along its long slender back. She ran over to the slide. Slow down, Polly, shouted mother, smiling at her young daughter. Barbara enjoyed these outings as much as Polly. Barbara जो एक young girl थी वो भी Polly की तरह पार्क में मस्ती कर रही थी. She loved to just relax and sit with other women she would meet there. They would exchange stories about their children. When she felt like it, Barbara tugged her knitting on the interesting novel into Polly's bag. She felt a little tired from the brisk jaunt and plopped down at the nearest picnic table. Soon Carlos and all the friends wandered over to her. Polly watched her mother and the other women's Polly liked it when her mother chatted with other women. It gave her extra long playtime. जैसे कि सभी जितने भी वीमन्स होते हैं सब एक साथ बैठते हैं बातें करती हैं बच्चे के साथ खेल रहे होते हैं. लेकिन अभी पोली का और मन है कि वे उनके साथ और अभी समय यहाँ पर बिताए. The slide was cold today, but this did not stop Polly from whisking down its bare back. The cold meter sank shivering on the fun through here. Faster and the faster she did each time she climbed the endless steps. वह लगातार एक के बाद एक चढ़ती रही और उतरती रही. मतलब वह खेल खेलते में बिजी रही. Up and up. She went eager to the squeeze along the cold silver slide. Polly loved to the daydream while she rode on the slide. She would close her eyes and think of herself as the lovely princess on a white horse someday. She would pretended that she was either a lost puppy and a lost kitten looking for its mother. She would crawl around while she mewed on the whimpered sadly. Polly had heard her mother say that she had a good imagination. Polly continued her trips up and down the stairs and the slide. Polly लगातार अपनी ट्रिप को और अच्छा बना रही थी, वह चढ़ रही थी, उतर रही थी. On what was maybe her 12th trip, a string was shot into the air. It was very painful. Groan, what's that? She was jumping off the end of the slide. Oh, thank you, came the answer over the shoulder. Who said this? Polly asked it again. I did. मैंने किया. Polly looked around and round to her very, very sad stare back at her. Thank you for greeting off, said the Zent mouth just below the cherry eyes. My back itch is really bad today. Polly rubbed her eyes. She could not believe what was really happening. Taking slide, Polly whispered. She said, did you speak to me? Why? Yes, I did, answered the silver slide. I am sorry, I started you, but I can't take it anyone. Each and everybody's child jumps on me and the race is down my back. I was fine, I was young, but I grown old and weary. I love children, especially you, Polly, but I shudder why they dig their foot into my back. Can you help me? Polly cried the still slide. If this a keep up, I will have to be turned into a pile of the steel and thrown into the junk heap. I know all the needs it's a little rest. In time I will be okay. The park is putting in a slide, new slide soon, guess. Until then I will have to be brave. Polly stepped back as if she was puzzled. It took her long to understand. I am sorry you are feeling the pain. The slide heard Polly's small mouth speak. Her tiny heart gently patted the edges. Slide, there must be something I can do. Polly thought she wanted to take help of her mother, but mother won't believe her. I speaking slide, who would believe her? As they returned to the slide, Polly saw two workmen painting one of the park's benches. Polly saw the green painting go on the arms and cover the wood. People will have to wait for a couple of the days to sit on it. And suddenly her face lit up. उसका फेस ऐसे ही जग जाता है कि वो देखती है कि जो पूरा पार्क है वो बहुत अच्छी, जो कुछ वर्कर्स हैं वो उसको और ज़्यादा चमका रहे हैं, वुडन से बेंचेस से कलर कर रहे हैं. She raced to her the bicycle. I have got it. She yelled. She grabbed the blue bags and shifted through it. Polly pulled out a bag, fat red crayons. She then snatches up a yellow sheet of the drawing paper. She knelt and scribbled something on the paper. She then pulled out a tab from her bags and she tugged and the tab and the finish. फिर वह पॉली क्या करती है, अपने बैग से सामान निकालती है और उस पर कुछ ड्रॉ करना जाती है. Okay? Then she said, she just stepped back to see her work, not to pat. और जब वह कार्य फिनिश होता है तो वो अपने आप से ये कहती है कि इतना बुरा नहीं है. This will work. Polly felt warm and the good inside, like she felt when the mother hugged her. Soon mother and the daughter left the park. They passed the bench with the mother sat holding her young son. The little boy seemed very sad. He asked his mother, but mommy, why can't I go on the slide? Polly had this mother answer, you must stay off the slide for a few days, honey. The signs say wet paint. Polly smiled her biggest smile and hugged her mother tightly. Now, kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.